Hey, I decided to try the talking tours and here try the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Now let's try it. Oh, wow, that's pretty cool. Let's see what it does. This is really cool. It's loading the commentary. I actually have been with the Leaning Tower of Pisa when I was a child. So this is really exciting. Let's see what. Let's talk, get a new commentary. I've been there as a child and you can't go up anymore because it's too dangerous. This is pretty amazing. You can go to certain landmarks and actually have a pretty good look at street level about them. I tell you, AI and Google, anything is possible. Let's ask a question. What material is it made of? What material is the Leaning Tower of Pisa constructed of? You can even ask a question. Isn't that cool? Let's see. This is pretty cool. That's it for today. And, you know, if you want to do something like that, look on the link below. I'll share the link in the video, and you have some fun going around the world and listening to interesting history. History is so important these days. Don't just go what people tell you. Do a little bit of research, dig deep. There's more to history than what they tell you. It can easily be falsified if you don't know anything and you care not to do your own research. All right, bye.